Hey, we need a new headshot for the upcoming webinar ASAP. Please send back by end of day. Thank you.
Headshot photographers take amazing photos of you, but sometimes you need an updated photo in a pinch. We've got a few tips for how you can do that at home. Take a look around your location. Try and find a spot with plenty of ambient natural light near a window. Overhead house lights can cause unflattering shadows, so avoid those if possible. Ideally, you set up with a plain wall behind you with a neutral or toned back color. You can also take an outdoor photo, but be mindful of background and light on your face. Your clothing choice should avoid busy patterns, trendy cuts, and nude colors. Opt instead for solids or classic patterns. We recommend dressing just a little nicer than you would for a client interaction. Now you need a camera. Pick up your cell phone and make sure your lens is clean and you have your image settings the highest they can go. Also, make sure you skip the in-phone filters. Use the self-timer or ideally bring in a trusted photo friend to help you look the best in the setting you have. Take more than one photo. It's not always fun to have your photo taken, but give a few different looks to choose from. Focus on your posture and vary up your smiles. The last tip is make sure you don't downsize the photo when you send it out. Email from your phone and do not compress them if the option is given. So those are a few tips on how to take a nice DIY headshot from home. For more content just like this, check out our blog On Point.